Imagine a massive deep blue luxury mansion, but instead of standing on land, it's fully mounted on a heavy-duty truck platform, ready to move wherever the road allows. What you're looking at is not just a vehicle, and not just a house, it's a fusion of both, a mobile palace designed to turn heads everywhere it goes. At first glance, the most striking feature is the bold royal blue exterior. The color alone gives it a premium, almost regal feel, but what truly elevates the design is the classical European-style architecture. The structure resembles a grand aristocratic villa, complete with ornate moldings, decorative sculptures, and elegant balcony railings. The roofline is detailed with intricate golden trims, adding a sense of luxury you'd normally expect from historic palaces rather than something on wheels. Moving closer, you'll notice the symmetry in the design. Large arched windows are evenly spaced across both levels, framed in white to contrast beautifully with the deep blue walls. These windows aren't just for looks, they would flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and welcoming living space. The presence of sculpted statues embedded into the facade adds a touch of classical art, reinforcing the mansion-like aesthetic. At the front, the structure seamlessly connects to a powerful semi-truck cab. The truck itself is painted in the same rich blue, ensuring a cohesive design from front to back. Its aerodynamic shape, large chrome grille, and polished wheels suggest it's built for long-distance hauling, capable of carrying this massive structure across highways. This isn't a lightweight camper, it's a heavy-duty engineering marvel. Now imagine stepping up the grand staircase located on the side. Unlike traditional RVs where entry is compact and functional, this design introduces a full staircase with railings, giving you the feeling of entering an actual home. The elevated entrance adds to the illusion that this is a permanent structure, even though it's completely mobile. Inside, although we can't see it directly, we can reasonably imagine the interior matching the exterior's luxury. The lower level would likely include a spacious living room, possibly furnished with plush sofas, a large entertainment system, and decorative lighting. High ceilings would make the space feel even larger, while those big windows would keep it bright and airy. Moving deeper inside, a fully equipped kitchen would probably be part of the layout. In a luxury mobile home like this, you'd expect high-end appliances, perhaps a modern refrigerator, built-in oven, induction cooktop, and plenty of cabinet space. Marble or granite countertops could be used to maintain that upscale feel. As we move to the upper level, accessed by an internal staircase, this area would most likely house the bedrooms. Given the size of this structure, there could easily be multiple rooms, each designed with comfort in mind. Large beds, wardrobe spaces, and maybe even attached bathrooms with premium fittings like glass showers and modern vanities. One of the standout features you might imagine here is a balcony. From the outside, we can clearly see a beautifully designed balcony with white balustrades. This space would offer a perfect place to relax, enjoy fresh air, and take in the surroundings, whether parked near mountains, a beach, or an open field like the one shown in the image. Now let's talk about the engineering behind something like this. A structure of this size requires a reinforced trailer chassis capable of handling extreme weight. Multiple axles are visible underneath, which help distribute the load evenly and maintain stability during transport. Without this, moving such a large and tall structure would be nearly impossible. The truck itself would need a powerful engine, likely designed for long-haul freight, to pull this enormous load. Advanced suspension systems would also be necessary to absorb shocks and keep the structure stable, especially when driving on uneven roads. Another important aspect is balance and safety. A mobile home of this height and width must comply with road regulations in many regions, which means it may require special permits, escort vehicles, or route planning to avoid low bridges and narrow roads. Looking at the people around the vehicle, you can see their reactions, some are pointing, others taking photos. This gives you a sense of scale. This isn't just big, it's gigantic. It towers over a standard truck and looks more like a moving building than a vehicle. From a lifestyle perspective, this kind of mobile mansion represents ultimate freedom combined with luxury. Imagine traveling across countries without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. No need for hotels, no unpacking and repacking, everything you need moves with you. At the same time, it's not the most practical option for everyday use. Parking such a large structure would be a challenge, and fuel consumption would be extremely high. Maintenance costs would also be significant, considering both the vehicle and the house components. But practicality isn't really the point here. This is about innovation, design, and pushing the limits of what's possible. It's a statement piece, a demonstration of how architecture and automotive engineering can merge into something truly unique. This kind of mobile mansion could be used for luxury travel, promotional events, or even as a high-end mobile office or studio. Its visual impact alone makes it perfect for attracting attention wherever it goes. In the end, what you're seeing is more than just a creative concept, it's a glimpse into a future where homes are no longer tied to one location. Where luxury isn't limited by geography. Where you can literally take your mansion anywhere the road leads. And standing there, watching this enormous blue palace on wheels, it's hard not to wonder, is this the future of living, or just an incredible dream brought to life? Imagine you're standing in an open field early in the morning, light fog still hanging in the air, and suddenly something unbelievable rolls into view. At first, it looks like a luxury mansion straight out of a royal estate, but then you realize it's moving. This is not a traditional house, and it's not a regular truck either. It's a fully integrated mobile palace, a giant luxury home mounted on a heavy-duty semi-truck platform, designed to combine architectural beauty with the freedom of travel. The first thing that instantly captures attention is the bold royal blue color. This isn't just any shade of blue, it's deep, rich, and glossy, giving the entire structure a premium and commanding presence. The exterior design is heavily inspired by classical European architecture. You can see elegant arches above the windows, detailed carvings, and decorative sculptures embedded into the walls. These artistic elements are usually found in historical mansions, but here they've been carefully integrated into a mobile structure, which makes the design even more fascinating. As your eyes move across the building, you notice the symmetry. Every window, every decorative piece, and every balcony is perfectly aligned. The windows are large and arched, framed in white, creating a beautiful contrast against the blue walls. These aren't just decorative, they would allow plenty of natural light inside, making the interior feel open, bright, and luxurious. The upper section features a balcony with classic railings, giving the feel of a high-end villa where you can step out and enjoy the view wherever you park. The roofline is another standout detail. It's not flat like a typical RV or trailer. Instead, it has a layered, classical design with ornate trim work running along the edges. The gold-like detailing at the top adds a royal touch, making the entire structure look like something owned by nobility rather than a traveler. Even the corners and edges are designed with precision, maintaining the mansion-like illusion from every angle. Now shifting focus to the front, the truck itself is just as impressive as the house it carries. It's a powerful semi-truck, painted in the same matching blue, creating a seamless visual connection between the vehicle and the home. The front grille is large and bold, with a polished metallic finish that reflects strength and durability. The headlights are sleek and modern, suggesting this is a high-performance machine built for long-distance hauling. This truck isn't just for show, it's the backbone of the entire structure. To move something this massive, it would need a highly powerful engine, likely designed for heavy cargo transport. The chassis underneath the house is reinforced and extended, supported by multiple axles. These extra wheels are critical because they distribute the weight evenly, ensuring stability while driving. Without this kind of engineering, transporting such a large and tall structure would be nearly impossible. Looking at the side of the mansion, you'll see a full staircase leading up to the entrance. This is a very unique feature because most mobile homes have compact doors and foldable steps. Here, the designers have gone all out, creating a grand staircase with railings that makes entering the home feel like walking into a palace. It adds to the realism, making it hard to believe this structure is actually mobile. Now imagine stepping inside. Based on the exterior size and design, the interior would likely be incredibly spacious. The lower level could feature a large living area with high ceilings, soft lighting, and premium furniture. You can picture plush sofas, a large flat-screen display, maybe even a fireplace-style feature for ambiance. The large windows would bring in natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Moving further inside,